Nyan! This is Peachy, and welcome back to Daiso Girl! Halloween's coming up real soon, so I'm going to show you how to make some spooky cute treats. My favorite cocoa sugar cookies. They're really fun to make and decorate, so we're going to have a great time today. So let's get started! Nyan! Today we'll be featuring Daiso's Halloween cookie cutters. Begin with 1.5 cups of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. Beat the butter for 1 minute until smooth and creamy. Scrape everything together and add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Now beat until it's fluffy and light in color. I actually ended up breaking my roommate's mixer, so I had to use mine instead afterwards. Crack 2 eggs at room temperature into the bowl. And add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beat in the ingredients and scrape down the sides of the bowl whenever needed. Sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And 1.5 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 2 teaspoons of sifted baking powder, along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything together until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Slowly mix in the dry ingredients. Once it's all mixed, divide it into 4 equal parts. Grab some parchment paper and place 1 portion of the dough on top. Place another sheet of parchment paper on top to prevent the dough from sticking to the rolling pin. These cookie cutters can be found during Halloween season at your local Daiso. Using your cookie cutter, cut out your preferred shapes and place on some parchment paper. You can gather and save your excess dough to be used again later. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 10 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool once they're finished. Ta-da! But we're not quite done yet. It's time to decorate. Decorate your cookies however you want. For the faces, I mixed icing and gel food coloring to get the color desired. Use a toothpick for detailing. Allow the icing to set once you have finished decorating. And voila! Some spooky Halloween treats for a spooky fun holiday. They're perfect for dipping and great with milk, so enjoy! Alright, there's only one more step. We need a taste tester. Dun dun dun! It's Daiso Dude!
What's up, everybody?
Alright, Daiso Dude, I'm gonna give you a really important task.
Alright, what's that?
I need you to eat one of these cookies. And I have milk if you need milk too.
Oh, I'm so down!
Okay. Choose your favorite cookie.
I'll choose this one.
Oh my god, that one's really derpy. It's so ugly. Why would you choose the ugliest one?
I think he has swag, to be honest. Go on, look at this!
Oh my god.
He's like...
Please eat it.
This is really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Okay, rate it. Out of 10 peaches. How peachy is it?
I give it 9 peaches.
What?
Only because... Well, I mean, 9... Oh, you want 10? 10
Of course
peaches!
I wanted 10 peaches.
I was gonna get 10, but I thought I was like too nice. But okay, I give it 11 peaches.
I don't even know what to say anymore.
12 peaches.
Because of the milk? The milk upped it?
It's so chewy.
So, we have Daiso Dan's verdict.
12 peaches!
I'm in pain. I hate you. I'm so sad. Why did you say 10?
I said 12.
I hope you still make these cookies. That's how I feel right now. You're supposed to say 10.
12 and a half?
I love to see what kind of cookies you make. So take a picture of them and tag me in them on Instagram. I hope you all like and subscribe. And happy Halloween! Because Daiso Girl's out. And Daiso Dude! Ha!
Alright, this is so good. This is like an Oreo, but better.